Aquagem Agency. What is your name?
I am Macrina Guillen-Picho.
How old are you?
I am 38 years old.
Can you please tell about yourself?
I am Macrina Guillen-Picho. I'm 38 years old, a single mother with 3 children. The age of my children is 17, 16, and 7 years old. I have been finished my study, taking a Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have been experienced for teaching in toddlers for 2 years. Until I finish my contract for 2 years, I pushed myself to go to abroad in United Arab Emirates.
Do you have domestic work experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In UAE, United Arab Emirates.
What is your main duties there?
Taking care of old lady. Both couples are bedridden, cannot move, but only sit. I just giving them bath, giving food through tubing, and then giving insulin, and then after that, after I clean them, changing diaper, I clean the house and the 2 rooms, and then in the night I teach the 2 grandchildren.
Okay, Macrina. Do you know how to take care a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, from my own.
Can you please show us how you take care a newborn baby?
Okay. While I am taking care of the baby, it must be supported by my hand, through my hand to the back neck and the back shoulder, supported by the right hand of the body of the baby. And then while I feed the baby, I must check first the milk, if it is hot or cold, and then try to give the milk to the baby like this. And then after that, after giving milk for the baby, I barb the baby in my shoulder like this.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am.
So, are you willing to learn to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your message to your prospective employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir. Thank you for choosing me as your new incoming domestic helper. I promise to you that I grant myself to do my very best of work. I do my very best to do my duties and responsibility, and I am honest and sincere to my work. Thank you.